do? We can ride a pony. Would you like to ride a pony? And we can go apple picking. You want to do that too? And we can get a puppy when you're bigger. That'll be fun. And what else can we do? We can learn to ride a bicycle. Would you like to ride a bicycle? And we can take you roller skating. And what else? There's so many things. Chuck E. Cheese? Oh, I love Chuck E. Cheese's. That's the best place I've ever been. And we can go to the library and read books. Everything sounds good to you, doesn't it? What else would you like to do? Go see some dinosaurs at the museum. And we can go to see the planets at the planetarium. And Daddy can teach you how to play with blocks and build stuff. Yay! I love you. I love you. Can I have a kiss?